If your Acer Nitro 5 suddenly powers on but shows nothing except a black screen, no logo, no image, no loading, don't panic. This is one of the most common Nitro issues, and the good news is, in most cases, it can be fixed at home in just a few minutes. So stay with me, because I'll walk you through a simple, safe, and proven method to bring your laptop back to life. Let's start with the basics. Before jumping into any deeper troubleshooting, do a quick check around your setup. Unplug everything connected to your laptop. USB drives, a mouse, keyboard, controller, external hard drives, or extra monitors. Sometimes external devices can interfere with startup and freeze the display. Next, plug in your charger and make sure the charging light turns on. This might seem obvious, but if the battery is drained or the charger isn't seated properly, the laptop can power on weakly and fail to display anything. Now for the fix that solves the problem for most people, the hard reset. Don't worry, this doesn't delete any files or apps. It simply clears small power glitches that prevent the system from starting correctly. Here's what you do. Press and hold the power button for a full 20 seconds. Count it out slowly. After 20 seconds, release the button and wait a few seconds. Then press the power button again normally to turn the laptop back on. In many cases, your Nitro 5 will boot up normally right after this reset. If that didn't work, let's test whether the issue is with the laptop screen. Grab an HDMI cable and connect your Nitro 5 to an external monitor or TV. If you see the display show up externally, that means the laptop is actually booting, but the built-in screen might have a fault. And for those who are a bit more experienced with hardware, there's one optional check: reseating the RAM. Sometimes loose memory modules cause a black screen boot. Just make sure you're comfortable opening the back panel before attempting it. If none of these methods work, the issue may be deeper, possibly a hardware failure. So contacting Acer support is your safest next step. And that's it. A quick and reliable process to troubleshoot the Acer Nitro 5 black screen issue without risking your data. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more fix-it guides, and drop a comment letting me know which step solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.